So the racing season is over. So now we're going to work on the spark plug and check the transmission oil. I am taking the spark plug boot off. Now we can start working. We are using a 5/8 socket to remove the spark plug. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Once you break it loose, it'll come out with your fingers. Now that we took it out, we're going to look at it, and this one looks a little rich. We're looking at the spark plug, and this is the part number. We cleaned this one, so now we're putting it back in. Tighten it with your hands until it's tight, then you can use the ratchet. Torque spec is 9 foot-pounds. After it's tight, you can put the cap back on. Make sure to push it down hard. Now we're checking the transmission oil level. We're using a 12mm to get the bolt out. The bolt's a little long, so it takes a little bit longer to pull out.
Is there any fluid in this thing?
Stick it. Put something in it.
Put a stick in there?
Like put
a dirty stick?
No, put something in there, like kind of what you use.
How about a little piece of metal? We can bend it.
Oh yeah.
And then we can put it in there. What do you think? You want to try that?
Like kind of like this thing to check like the oil.
Like making a makeshift dipstick.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So we have some wire, bent the top, and now we're gonna put it in. It's gonna hit the threads. It's gonna go down. Then you're gonna pull it out. Look if there's any oil, and there you go. So let's start. Yep, there's a little bit on there. There you go. It takes SAE 90. Tighten to 13 foot-pounds. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps you in the future. God bless.